Canada, a mosaic of cultures, a symphony of flavors. From coast to coast, this land pulsates with the heartbeats of people from all corners of the globe, each carrying within them the rich tapestry of their heritage. And what better way to experience this beautiful blend than through the universal language of food? Food transcends borders. It dismantles barriers. It's an invitation into the soul of a culture, a seat at the table of tradition passed down through generations. It's an experience that nourishes not just the body, but also the spirit of togetherness. In Canada, this culinary fusion is a point of pride, a testament to the nation's welcoming spirit. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of flavors, aromas, and stories. Each bite tells a tale, each ingredient whispers history. And in the heart of this culinary celebration lies a unique event, a testament to Canada's multicultural heritage, the Canadian Immigrant Food Festival. A virtual space where stories are shared, traditions are honored, and the spirit of unity is celebrated, one delicious bite at a time. Imagine this, a virtual space, vibrant, buzzing with energy. Screens light up with faces from around the world, all drawn together by a shared love for food and a desire to connect. This is the Canadian Immigrant Food Festival, reimagined for a digital age. No longer confined by physical boundaries, this festival transcends borders, bringing the sights, sounds, and most importantly, the tastes of diverse cultures right into homes across Canada and beyond. It's a platform for immigrant chefs, home cooks, and food enthusiasts to share their heritage, their stories, and their passion for food. This festival is more than just recipes. It's a celebration of journeys, tales of resilience, adaptation, and the unwavering human spirit that thrives even in the face of change. It's about preserving traditions, sharing family recipes, and creating a space where everyone feels a sense of belonging. The aroma of spices fills the air, albeit digital. Laughter echoes as participants connect through shared experiences, and the language barrier melts away, replaced by the universal language of food, love, and community. Maria's hands move with practiced grace. Deftly she folds the dough, crimping the edges of the empanadas. Each fold holds a memory, a whisper of Argentina, her homeland. The aroma of sizzling onions and cumin fills her kitchen, a sensory portal transporting her back to her grandmother's bustling kitchen in Buenos Aires.
Empanadas are more than just food, Maria says, her voice thick with emotion. They're a symbol of family, of celebration, of love.
She recalls childhood evenings spent learning the art of making empanadas from her grandmother, her tiny hands struggling to mimic the rhythmic movements. Each empanada tells a story. The perfectly golden crust, a testament to her grandmother's patience and guidance. The savory filling, a burst of Argentinian flavors, a reminder of home. Now, miles away from her homeland, Maria finds solace in recreating these culinary traditions. Sharing her empanadas at the festival is more than just sharing a recipe. It's sharing a piece of her heart, her heritage, her Argentina. Samir's falafel, a story of resilience from Syria. The rhythmic pounding of chickpeas echoes through Samir's kitchen, a comforting rhythm that transports him back to Damascus. Samir's journey to Canada was fraught with challenges, but he found solace in the familiar comfort of food. The aroma of falafel, tahini, and pita bread, flavors of his homeland. Sharing his falafel is a celebration of Syrian culture. Section 5, A Taste of Home Kimchi, a legacy of love from Korea. The air hums with the tangy aroma of fermenting cabbage, ginger, and gochugaru. It's a familiar scent for Hana, evoking memories of her grandmother's kitchen in Seoul. Kimchi is more than just a staple in Korean cuisine, it's a legacy of love passed down through generations. Hana remembers her grandmother's magic with humble vegetables. Kimchi is about patience, allowing time to transform ingredients. Sharing kimchi honors her heritage and connects her with the community. Section 6, A Feast for the Senses, a celebration of unity. The Canadian Immigrant Food Festival is a testament to the power of food. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of tradition, resilience, and the unyielding human spirit. It's a celebration of diversity, a reminder that despite our differences in language, culture, and background, we are united by something far more profound, our shared humanity. As the virtual festival draws to a close, there's a sense of warmth, of connection. The screens may fade, but the stories linger. The flavors dance on the palate, and the spirit of unity endures. The Canadian Immigrant Food Festival is more than just a food festival. It's a journey of flavors, a celebration of cultures, an ode to the human spirit. It's a reminder that food has the power to connect, to heal, and to unite us all, one delicious bite at a time.